Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to discuss about GitHub Organization, and also I'm going to show you a demo on how to create it, free plan features, and how to add the members to Org. Let's start. What is an organization? An organization is a shared account that allows team and business to collaborate on repos and other projects. If you are working in a corporate company that uses GitHub, it's important to manage everything within an organization on GitHub. So let's start how to create the organization. So I'm going to GitHub page, come click on profile icon and come to your organization. Here there are two ways of creating it. One is you can directly turn your username to organization account, or you can create a new organization. I'm just selecting new organization. Here if you select this one, then you will be able to see some plans here. Definitely we will go for free plan, so we will see the features also. Here if you select go for a free plan, then we will be getting some free minutes here, 2000 free minutes, which will be used to run GitHub CI/CD workflows, and 500 MB of packages storage. That means that we will be able to push 500 MB of artifacts data, and unlimited public and private repositories. So these are, yeah, good features, I would say. So let's click on create free organization. So organization name, definitely that is your optional if it is in your hands. Org, my personal account. You can select any one of these based on your requirement. So definitely we don't need this GitHub Copilot business for now. Just I'm clicking on this one and click on next. Now we have created GitHub organization. Now you see few icons here related to organization. Here overview and what are the repositories under organization, and projects and packages, and the teams, people. People means where we can add the other external members to this organization, and settings. And there, so here there are a lot of other options which we are going to discuss in next video. So here, so right now we have created an organization. So let's add the member to it. So I have created one more account with DevOps Bunker 2. So this is also my account only. I'm just created it for demo purpose. I'm inviting it. So whether you can select the role also here, whether you should be member or owner. So he should be a member. So I'm sending invitation to him. He must have received the mail to accept it. Yeah, I have received the invitation. So you just have to click on join DevOps. So join DevOps Bunker org, click on it. Yeah, that's it guys. Now we have added the member also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.